Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Retail Trader here. Just want to do a little bit of tea on Bitcoin, in addition to showing you a couple of indicators that I've been using to somewhat forecast the market. It's a wild west, but try and do your best to stay alive and make profits. And how they say, gain financial freedom, right? So here I'm gonna start with a fib base extension. I'm gonna measure from the bottom here that we had previously to our top. And there you go. There you have that. Let's try and get it a little better. You're not always going to get the best. You can use the coordinates, but somewhat a pain here. Let's see. Oh, there we go. This seems fairly well. But as you can see, I have a couple indicators down here. The RSI, in addition to the Elec long short trend, is what I use. And you can already see how powerful it is just by without me explaining, right? These settings are actually modified by me. This one was actually red, and this one is actually green. I changed it to white and yellow, so it's better to see visually, right? And it's better to read. And the RSI, as you know, and I also use a super trend. The super trend is good to know the trend of the market, how the resistances and supports, right? And certain resistances and supports break. And here you can see a big trend came. The super trend, you just type in super trend, and it's the top one. It's got 12,000 something likes. And the Elec long short trend, you just type in Elec, and it's by Elec Lam, and you'll see it's Elec long short trend. And as for the RSI, everybody knows RSI, right? But I'm just gonna show you the power of this indicator, right? Let's go over the daily because I've seen some good action on the daily lately. As you can see here, we had that drop, right? This was the Bithumb FUD, and probably to stop out a few people as well, right? The retail. As you can see, it was bought. This was a little bit of accumulation, and as you can see now, it's springing here, and it's fighting for the 786 right now, but it looks like shorts are getting wrecked, like they always do. But I'm just going to show you some examples of the Elec long short trend, how powerful it is. As you can see here, the dip was bought, right? Like some people bought here a little early, then it came down. Once we had a little bit of accumulation right here, another move up, another move up. But as you can see, these were shorts here getting caught. Right, we had this little dump here, obviously a stop hunt, and here it moved. It dumped a bit here, it moved, and here we finally had the downtrend starting, right? That was back when I hit 13K in 2019, right? But as you can see, right, the whales buy. This was a stop hunt also. Here, the sellers, the bears, the control. Right here, as you can see, it was bought again. Another stop hunt, and then the bears got crushed again here. I'm almost certain that if the corona scare and this pre-planned pump that we have right now wasn't in plan, we would have pumped a long time before. But as you can see, it was bought here. They bought a little prematurely, but yet it still went up. Here they were trying to dump it, but they couldn't. And it just went to an accumulation range, and it went up again. Here, like I said, this was a Bithumb, and as you can see, man, there was a lot of shorts that got caught here, 13K even, and it's still going. You can use it even in the lower time frames. As you can see, usually, right, even here, the white people are shorting and then stops them out, comes back down. Here, same thing, people were shorting, getting crushed. The scam wick down, then up again, and that's where we are now. As far as I can see, right? There's more shorts getting trapped, and there wasn't really much of a drop here with the shorts. If anything, it liquidated some more people, and here also went up. So to me, we're in a full blown bull market as long as there isn't any FUD going around, heavy FUD that could ruin the market conditions, right? And I can honestly see this go through a higher time frame here. I can honestly see here, right? We broke through the 786. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people shorting this here. So we're not that far off from the all-time high. Let's measure here. We're about 18%, right? And I just want to show you some of the targets that we could possibly hit. Ideally, a target would be for this wave 30,000, around 30k, right? And here's some more targets. I'll take these indicators off. You could potentially hit 50k, around 46k, which would be the 2618, 46k, 46.6. But you know, it's my first video. I'm sorry if there's bad quality, if you guys can't hear me or whatever. But yeah, I just want to show you some indicators here. They're pretty good indicators for trend following and kind of trading against the herd, right? But yeah, keep in mind of the market conditions. Anything can happen, and trade safe. Always trade with stop loss. Thanks for watching, guys.